Cable face pull. Set up a rope attachment on a cable machine at shoulder height. Grasp the rope firmly with both hands, placing your fingers on the outside of the rope and your thumb closest to your chin. Bend your knees, brace your abs, and sit back slightly. Start by slowly pulling the middle of the rope towards your eye line. As you bring the cable toward your face, twist your elbows out and your elbows behind your ears. Slowly stretch back to the starting position and repeat. Ensure that you do not bounce the weight around. Pause when your hands are above your ears, squeezing your back hard against the weight. Start with a lighter weight and work up to heavier weights whilst ensuring that you feel your upper back throughout the movement.